What's up everyone, my name is Festo. This is my unboxing video. This is a product shipped from abroad directly to Uganda by Jumia. So this is my invoice and this is the package right here. I received it from a station, from their station a few days back, so I had to do this unboxing video to see whether the product is genuine as the one on their website. So the app. So as you see, the packaging is very clean, nothing shakes. So let's see. Let me begin unwrapping this package. So we have some masking tape here. It's colorless. The product inside here is a tablet stand, so you can check it out on Jumia. 360 degrees tablet stand. So you have to be very careful without damaging the invoice. Their packaging is really nice. I just love it. I have to tear this invoice into two due to their packaging style. I don't know how they packed it, but I gotta do this. I think I should just get a pair of scissors and just cut. So I'm back with this pair of scissors to get rid of this hard packaging cover. So there is also a second layer here. This is a waterproof polythene, so their shipping is just good because the product comes as expected without damage. So this is my shipping invoice. So if you're familiar with it, so you always have to keep this. This is just like a receipt. So let me put this aside. This is my product here, aluminium stand for smartphones and tablets. So that is how it looks. Let me go ahead and unseal this box open. So here it is. It's a 360 degrees tablet stand. So here it is. Here we go. So it has some logo here, HOBFU. I don't know what it means. So it has a pink finishing, a metallic alloy, aluminium alloy. So it's even kinda hard, so you need to use some energy to rotate it. So that's the product right there. It really looks the same way as it is in the images on their applications. So let me go ahead and put my tablet and see whether it fits. So here's my tablet. Let me just place it there. So there it is. So you can place your device right there to enhance your movie experience and also productivity. in case you're typing somewhere over the keyboard via Bluetooth. So it's really a nice stand to place your tablet there. So on the tablet, cannot move. It is also magnetic. As you know, there are a lot of magnets inside here, so the case is also magnetic, so it is just stable. And there is also some rubber here. These things, I don't know how they are called, but they really give a firm foundation for the device and the case too. So it is very stable. So that is my product. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks to Jumia for their great work. So let me go ahead and see. So that's how it looks. So it mimics the big iMac, and their operating system is also great. So it seems to be fun and more productive. So it is really interesting. So all you have to do is to touch the screen on the tablet. So if you have a lot of free time to watch movies, you can use this as your entertainment device. And also if you're doing some business, because this is a secondary computer. If you're using any other, so you can use this as your secondary computer, because it is very portable and it has a lot of power. So I'm done with the unboxing. Let me go ahead and store my packaging material. So remember, in case you don't find your product as you had expected and they bought another one instead, so they have their nice policies for returns. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. Stay safe and stay calm. See you in the next video. Bye.